What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So guys, we're gonna be getting into this hair today. I'll be showing you guys a lazy girl U-part wig install. This wig is from LuvMe Hair. Really cute, really fun. Y'all love their packaging as always. It looks really luxurious, and purple is my favorite color. They of course sent some goodies in their box as always, so I'll show you guys what all they sent in their packaging. They sent these really nice flat irons. They're honestly really pretty. I didn't end up using them in the video, but I'll leave a comment in the comment area for you guys about how they worked, were they hot or whatever. They also sent these clip-ins. They're like these honey blonde clip-ins. Honestly, if I wear them, I'll probably dye them a lighter color, but they didn't look too bad on my skin. I didn't mind. So here's the wig. It of course comes in the drawstring bag, and then it comes with a net around it. This wig is straight out of the box, guys. Straight out of the packaging. It's a really full wig all the way down. I'm not getting any tangles as I'm pulling my hand through it, and then just showing you guys what it looks like on the inside. It's not too bad. I really like the structure of the wig. It comes with this elastic band that you guys can use to pull it down and secure it. And then the part that I'm cutting off is a part that you guys won't need, so you guys can go ahead and cut that part off for your wig. You don't need that. It's just there to hold it together, maybe if you're styling it on a wig mannequin or so. So the part that I really loved about this wig is honestly these clips. Some people like these clips, some people don't, but I really love the clip in, clip out clips because I feel like they're super secure when wearing something like this. Like, I don't like the ones that are just a comb that you have to just claw in your hair, but these are really secure. I can honestly just throw the wig on, like, not worrying about having any braids, which is what we're going to be doing today because I don't have any braids. That's the lazy girl part of this video. It also has another clip at the nape area, and then of course the adjustable straps on the sides that you guys can use. Real full wig. I love full wigs, real thick wigs when it comes to me wearing like leave out and stuff like that, especially when you're wearing like U-part wigs. Really nice, had some really nice sheen to it and shine, girl. Y'all, they sent a lot of stuff. So they sent me a pair of 3D lashes, 2 pair. Come on now. They also sent this gold scrunchie, which is really cute, honestly, but I don't think I'll be wearing my hair in a ponytail anytime soon. They also sent these press-on glue-on nails that are Christmas themed, child. I've had this wig for a minute and I haven't worn it. Some rose gold hoop earrings and this little brooch thingy majiggy. They also sent this comb, which I will be using in this video because your girl needed a new comb. So let's get into the video. So I'm just starting off parting my hair. I'm going to do a side part. Just a little reference, my hair is flat ironed. It's about 2 weeks into the flat iron style, so it's pretty dirty hair, and honestly at the point where like I'm not wearing my hair out like this anymore, and I just need to do something to it before I wash it at the end of the week. So I'm parting off the amount of hair that I want to use for my leave out in my U-part wig. So I'm doing a side part, just sectioning it off, making sure that it's enough hair to cover the tracks, and then also that my hair on the side is enough. So you want to go ahead and do that. Honestly, you don't really need much, but just enough. You don't want to have too much hair out because then that's more hair that you have to flat iron and then blend. But you want enough to where it still looks natural. So once I get that part sectioned off and I have enough hair that I want to use, I'm going to go ahead and twist that hair down get it out the way, section it off any way that you like, braid it down. I'm just twisting it just to get it out the way so that I can go ahead and do this install, y'all. And when I tell y'all this is the lazy girl version, because honestly I don't have any braids in my hair. I don't have time to braid down my hair. Like, this is that style when your girlfriends just call and they're like, girl, you ready to go somewhere? And you're like, yes. But my hair's not done. You pull this U-part wig out and you are going to look so cute. So we're just getting this situated, popping the combs out of the wig, and now we're going to apply the wig to our head. So I always start with the back clip first, the one that's in the middle. So I'll go ahead and clip that in the center of the part, and then I'll bring it around to the front side, and then I'm going to clip it there. So the reason that I like to clip in, clip out clips on here, because it's really easy and they're going to stick to whatever. If your hair is super fine and not as coarse as mine, then you'll probably want to tease your hair just a little bit more so that it can stay. But like I said, my hair is dirty at this point and greasy, so it's super easy for my hair to for this wig to just latch onto it. So pulling it down in the back, and then of course moving my hair out the way to where you guys can't see it, just camouflage it. We're gonna go ahead and part my hair, section it off, and cover it up just to see how it'll look. If I have enough hair out, if I need to start over. And don't forget to cover the tracks in the back. Just see, that's just like an instant, girl, you need this wig, I'm telling y'all. So here, just getting everything situated so that I know what we're working with. Y'all, this is wig straight out of the box. This is exactly what it looks like. And honestly, if I was in a hurry, I'd probably wear my hair like this, throw a little edge control on, girl, and call it a day. If I don't feel like throwing no extra heat on my hair on the day, girl, we're going out like this. So I'm just gonna start and go ahead and flat iron and curl my hair. I'm using a wand curl. I believe this is a beach curling iron, 1 inch, I believe. Just gonna add some little curls into it, just give it a little bit more curl and volume. So guys, I'm finally done flat ironing and curling my hair. Just got it a little bit more curl and bounce to it, honestly, y'all. I wasn't trying to do too much because, as I said, I wanted to make this video really simple and easy for us girls who just want to throw something on and have some fun, get out for the night, and then come back home and be regular day dressmaker. But this wig is super cute. I'm just like playing with it, filling it out, fluffing it up, just seeing how it really like works, flows, and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and do them edges, girl. I'm not the best at doing edges, but child, you about to see. So y'all, that's it. That's really all it is to this styling, to installing this wig. It's really cute. It's giving sew-in vibes. It's giving natural girl, lazy girl, baddie realness. It's really cute and adorable, y'all. And just look at, ooh, okay guys, I forgot about these clip-ins that they gave me. I want you guys to try them out. They're really cute, and I just added them in just to see how they look, honestly, just playing around. I clipped them on top of the clip-ins that were the clips that were already on there. Clip them onto the wig. I didn't clip them onto my natural hair, just onto the wig, and then I'm gonna curl them and just see how that looks. And boom, that's all it is to it. That's real cute. That's real jazzy. Just added something nice, a little spice up the little hairstyle. Really cute, y'all. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. So leave me the comments what you think about this lazy girl U-part wig install from LuvMe, y'all. The hair was just amazing, and honestly, it's still in my head to this day. It's really cute. Y'all gonna like it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and bye.